What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing another video. But this is going to be with my brother in it again. Yes, my little 4-year-old who's going to be 5 in about a few months. So today we're going to be doing something different. He's going to be not doing a cube or a card. He's going to be doing Legos. He's going to be doing a Lego build review that he made. So yeah, it'll probably be pretty interesting. He just kind of got some Legos out of this huge pile. So yeah, let's see what he created. I think he's remodeling a little bit. So I'll just have to get away here for a little bit. It's too hard. Why, God? Ouch. I'm ready. Huh? Okay. You say you're ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
Hey guys, what's up? This is a little Lego car, but this is the whole thing of it. And back here is a little oven and a little treasure chest. And it opens up, and there's a little valve inside there. How many of you see those? Okay. So and there's something up there. There's this up here with a little chair and a little teleport gun. And a little microphone that this is a pizza truck. It has a little pizza inside there. Okay, yeah. And the little window opens a little and this is the window right here. So close it and put it there. Drive it again. And a little smoke thingy coming on the oven. And it has little doors, but it's locked for now with this little treasure chest with the oven on it. And there is a little pizza inside there, like there. Pizza cooking! In the oven we go! Airplane flying to houses! Teleport gun! Teleport the pizza!
Kyle, I think now you're just being silly.
Oh yeah. Pizza is right here in my hand, and well,
Is it ready yet?
and the microphone is like, pizza ready! And it goes inside his hand, and the pizzas go in my little hand, and pizza ready!
Ta-da!
Bye. So guys, that was the video for today, and subscribe and push the like button, and hope you enjoyed my video. So bye.
Kyle, will you do my outro?